Hey guys! I'm doing new video series about pine trees. These are actually pine trees I start from seeds on August 20th and now they're 4 months old. The seeds were given to me a friend I meet through Facebook. I'm really appreciate his help in finding the seeds. As you can see, these seedlings growing very well. I'm pretty happy with these. This plant over here, you can see how tall he's getting. I applied some fertilizers these plants about a week ago. Both of these seedlings are growing really well. This guy over here, as you can see, slower glowing than other plants, but this plant produced new shoots. Anyway, he's just smaller than other plants. Now you can see new shoots coming right there. The top of this plant has been cut off by an insect, but now he's produced new shoots. Now you can see new shoots coming right there. However, these pine seedlings are a good start for bonsai. These plants are not completely root pruned. I will give you guys an update on this probably just about every 2 to 4 weeks, I guess. Anyway, I appreciate you guys watching this video. If you are not a subscriber, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.